Hey y'all, this is another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. I'm the Maverick, and today we'll be unboxing a banger, the Air Jordan 4 Bred reimagined.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a...
Today I'll be talking about the history of the Air Jordan 4 Bred. I'll also be unboxing the Air Jordan 4 reimagined Breds. Then I will compare the reimagined pair to the 2019 Air Jordan 4 Bred release. Then at the end, I will be comparing the reimagined series. The Air Jordan 4 Breds originally released in 1989, retailing for $110. They then re-released in 1999, 2019, and lastly, 2024. It's the box. Wrapped with this paper. This is what they looking like. Got the all leather on the uppers. Got red and gray on the outsole. We have the Nike Air on the heel in gray. Then we have a black hang tag that comes on the shoe. On the inside, the tongue is a bit thicker, and then it has Air Jordan written on the tongue. Got the Nike Air on the bottom. Again, this shoe is definitely a banger. They're releasing February 17th, full family sizing. If you like the new technology on the Jordan 4s and you like the leather instead of the nubuck suede, I definitely think this should be something you should consider copying. It's a really dope shoe. I personally like the changes they've made, the thicker tongue, the more cushion in the shoe, and I really do like the leather other than that other material. So I'm definitely copying these, and I think you should too.
They don't want me alive. They want you off your pivot when they see you on the rise. Baby mama say I don't do...
Here we have the 2019 Bred 4 release, and then we have the Bred reimagined. This is what the Bred reimagineds look like. Back, the bottom. It's the box that it comes with. Air Jordan on the top. It's a black bottom. And this is the box that the 2019 pair comes with. The black top and the bottom. Alright, so there's a few differences in the 2019 and the 2024 pairs. The obvious difference is the material. The 2019 pair has a nubuck suede material. And then the 2024 pair has a leather material. The reimagined also has a thicker tongue and more cushion inside the shoe. They're made just like the SB4s. And then the 2019 bred 4, thinner tongue, not that much cushion, probably less comfortable than the reimagined pair. And then the boxes just swapped black top and the bottom for the 2019, and then we have the black bottom. And oh, and also hang tag, different colors. Got the orange 2019, the black bred reimagined. Like I said, a couple differences, still same colorway. Both of them pretty nice shoes. I would definitely cop and wear both. Alright, so these are my top picks of the Reimagined series. We have the Lost and Founds, the White Cement Reimagined 3s, Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, and then we have the Royal Reimagined. Of course, I'm putting the Lost and Founds as my top pick. This is a classic shoe. Everybody loves this shoe. I think everybody should own a pair of the Lost and Founds. Then I'm putting the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. This is my second pick. Again, I think this is also a classic shoe. Even though the material is different, I definitely do like the leather, and I'm a big fan of how they recreated this shoe. My third choice would be the White Cement 3s. I'm a big fan of 3s. It's probably one of my favorite Jordans, so I gotta put these third. Not better than these. And last but not least, my fourth pick, the Royal Reimagineds. They don't really stand out to me that much. I do think they're still a pretty nice shoe. I would definitely wear it. They're just not the best out of all these. So these are my top picks. It's my rankings. Again, this has been another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. I'm the Maverick. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you like and follow.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my day up here. The voicemail like